Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we off guys our adaptive brightness mode in our Technophone. Friends, we want to guys adaptive brightness mode, so guys you can off it. And guys now let's see how to off guys adaptive brightness mode in our Technophone. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So friends, you want to off guys adaptive brightness, you can off in your Technophone. So guys now let's see how to off turn off adaptive brightness modes. Well, we will on our phone setting to off guys adaptive brightness. So friends, you can see this type of setting guys. Click on the display and brightness setting. Friends, you can see your adaptive brightness is on. So friends, you want to off, so guys you can off. After off guys, your brightness will not decrease, automatic and increase guys. So like that guys, you can off guys, you can turn off your adaptive brightness mode in your Technophone. So I hope friends you've understood how to off adaptive brightness mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching. Bye friends. Before going guys, please like the video.